Okay guys, a couple of tips on hand stitching. One of the things that you'll find is after threading your needle, this can move up and down. So when you're pulling your needle through, then sometimes the end comes off. So a simple way of sorting that is get your thread, run it through your needle, and then poke your thread through, pull that down all the way through, and what that'll do is it'll lock up, so now it can't come off. Yep, I'll just do it to the other end just to show you. I don't normally do this, just probably too lazy, but it's a good little tip for if you're practicing and it's forever coming off. So again, get your thread, so this is your end here, get it, push it through all the way down, just push your needle all the way through, pull your thread back, pull it off the back, and now it can't come off. Yeah, it's locked up there. Okay, the other thing I'm going to show you in this video is quite a common thing if you're hand stitching. When you get your thread through, that's fine, and then if you get to your next one, I've already made holes in this, I normally do it as I go along, but just for these, is when you push your needle through, sometimes you can't get it. Yeah, because your fingers are slipping off, you just can't get it. So the tendency would be to go and grab the pliers to pull it through. The problem with that is you're always going to be picking up pliers all the time, and you don't need to do it. The best way of doing this is to pick up a piece of beeswax. Yeah, there's my old one, there's a nice new one. You pick up a piece of beeswax, what it does is you get it, grab the needle, so put it on the needle, grab the needle, and then pull through, which I'll show you in a second. The advantage of using beeswax rather over pliers is, as I say, pliers you'll always be picking up and down. Beeswax, it'll end up going in your fingers and it makes your fingers sticky, so the next time it sticks, then you'll have some grip in your hands and that'll pull it through. So this is a beeswax method. Yeah, see how easy it comes out? And then if we get the other one, I'm a wee bit lost here, put that through there. And if this one sticks on this side, which it didn't do, I was going to show you again. So again, going to the next one, if we look it'll stitch, it'll stick, and then I'll show you the beeswax trick. Normally I've got my awl in my hand for doing this. As I say, I made holes earlier which I think are a bit tight. Yeah, this one's definitely tight, yeah, I can hardly get that through. So if I grab that, yeah, you can see all I'm doing is pulling the work. If I now do my beeswax, just put it on there, put my thumb on top, I'm doing it backwards for the camera, yeah, put my thumb on top, yeah, and then simply just, it pulls through dead easy. But what it means is I'm going to get that wax on my fingers, so that, you know, before I get to the end of the work, I just won't be pulling pliers up. And this is a tight one as well. Yeah, see, I can't get that one. Yeah, so again, beeswax, or if you want a nice new shiny piece of beeswax on there, and it just pulls it through with ease. Yeah, and then you can continue with your hand stitching down. So my two tips today are: thread your needle, that way it can't come off, you know, halfway through, and then you have to do it. And my next tip today is pull the needle through with beeswax. Don't use pliers, you know, as I say, you'll just always be pulling pliers up, and I think there's more work because you've got to open them and things. But beeswax is my tip today. Hope that helps you guys, thanks.